Invigorating watermelons aren't just a godsend on a hot summer day. From being heart-friendly to maintaining your kidneys in good shape, this succulent treat also has a lot to offer your body. If you've also been wondering if watermelons have benefits for your skin, you thought right. Here are the benefits the watermelon has lined up for your skin. Serves up anti-aging antioxidants. Oxidative stress has a role in making your skin look old and tired, but antioxidants from foods can counter the development of free radicals which cause oxidative stress and stop you from aging before your time. Juicy watermelons, which contain protective antioxidants such as vitamin C, glutathione, and lycopene, are a yummy way to get a good dose of antioxidants. Protect skin from sunburn. Exposure to the rays of the sun can damage your skin. Stay out too long and you might even get a sunburn, but noshing on watermelons can have a protective effect. This refreshing fruit is rich in a carotenoid known as lycopene, offering up about 4,868 micrograms per 100 grams. In fact, its lycopene content is 40% higher than that of lycopene poster child tomatoes. Research reveals that consuming a diet rich in this compound can significantly reduce skin reddening and erythema caused by exposure to UV light. Of course, do keep in mind that while watermelons can help protect your skin from the inside, you still need to use a good sunscreen when you go out in the sun. Brightens skin and fights pigmentation. Watermelons contain an antioxidant compound called glutathione which has skin lightening properties. Your skin color can be traced to the presence of a pigment known as melanin. The more melanin you have, the darker your skin is. Glutathione works by indirectly inhibiting tyrosinase, which is an enzyme that has an important role in the production of melanin. A study has found that both oral and topical use of this compound can lighten skin. So if you're looking to get rid of that tan or a patch of hyperpigmentation, munching on a watermelon and applying it to your skin can help. Fights wrinkles and skin dryness. Downing a wedge of watermelon will give you 23.2 milligrams of vitamin C, which meets 25% of your daily value for this important nutrient. So how important is vitamin C for your skin? Not only is it a potent antioxidant, but it also plays a critical role in the synthesis of collagen, the protein which gives your skin strength and structure. In fact, one large investigation that looked at the skin of middle-aged American women found that a higher intake of vitamin C was linked to a lower chance of having dry and wrinkled skin.